Ever wished your ride could turn a road trip into a water adventure without skipping a beat? Amphibious vehicles are here to change the way we move, blending land speed thrills with water cruising freedom in one seamless experience. These machines aren't built for the military or emergency crews. They're made for you, everyday drivers. Real fun, real freedom, real adventure. Buckle up, because the future of personal travel just hit the shoreline. It looks like something straight out of a spy thriller, sleek, agile, and impossible to ignore. But this isn't fiction. This is the Gibbs Biski, the world's first high-speed amphibious motorcycle, and it's rewriting the rules of personal mobility. One moment, it's flying down the highway at 80 miles per hour, wind cutting past like a blade. The next, with the flick of a switch, it transitions, wheels retract, jet propulsion engages, and within 5 seconds, it's skimming across open water at 37 miles per hour. No need for trailers, no ramps, no hesitation, just seamless transformation. The Biski weighs around 503 pounds and is powered by a 55 horsepower, twin-cylinder gasoline engine, combining road-tested motorcycle mechanics with advanced amphibious innovation. On land, it operates with conventional rear-wheel drive. But once afloat, it comes alive through a proprietary Gibbs jet propulsion system, delivering smooth, controlled thrust and agility on water. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. With a total length of 92.5 inches and a width of 37 inches, the Biski retains the compact footprint of a large touring bike. Its 5.28-gallon fuel tank gives it enough range for cross-city cruising or a decent stretch on the lake. Payload capacity is about 760 pounds, allowing for a rider, a passenger, and light gear. Its hull is engineered with precision for rapid water entry and buoyancy. The center of gravity is optimized to ensure smooth transitions and confident handling across both surfaces. The Biski can handle mild inclines and shorelines with ease, making it practical for both urban adventurers and off-the-grid explorers. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of unrestricted freedom. A machine built not for roads or rivers, but for both. The Gibbs Biski doesn't ask where the road ends. It asks, why stop there? It looks like a sports car from the future, low-slung, aerodynamic, with the soul of a racer. But the Rinspeed Splash is far more than just a road machine. It's a shapeshifter, engineered to defy not only gravity, but also expectation. One moment, it's tearing across the asphalt at 125 miles per hour. The next, it's slicing through the waves like a speedboat, hydrofoils deployed, the roar of water beneath it replacing the growl of tires on pavement. This is not science fiction, it's Swiss innovation made real. Powered by a natural gas-burning turbocharged two-cylinder engine producing 140 horsepower, the Splash can sprint from 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds. On land, it weighs just over 1,900 pounds, thanks to a carbon composite body and aluminum frame. Its fuel source, compressed natural gas, not only lowers emissions, but also fuels the vehicle's dual identity. On land, it boasts a range of nearly 100 miles per tank, and on water, it cruises up to 35 miles depending on throttle and other conditions. When the Splash hits the water, it deploys retractable hydrofoils that lift the body nearly 2 feet above the surface, reducing drag and allowing it to glide at up to 45 knots, about 52 miles per hour, faster than most conventional speedboats of its size. Its hull design enables it to navigate inclines of up to 30 degrees on ramped terrain, smoothly transitioning from road to lake in a matter of seconds. The vehicle carries 2 passengers with a payload capacity of approximately 400 pounds, and its low center of gravity keeps it stable both on winding mountain roads and choppy waves. Steering adapts automatically, wheel-based on land, joystick-assisted on water. The Rinspeed Splash isn't just a car that floats. It's a technological dare, a demonstration that mobility doesn't have to choose between road and water. It's speed, it's style, it's rebellion, wrapped in fiberglass and carbon, ready to ride wherever the world dares to end. It looks like an all-terrain beast, built to dominate mud, sand, snow, and everything in between. But the moment it hits the water, the transformation begins. Wheels rise, jet propulsion kicks in, and the terrain becomes liquid. This is the Gibbs Terraquad, a high-speed amphibian that redefines what a utility vehicle can be. On land, it's raw power and rugged performance. On water, it's fast, agile, and unstoppable. The Terraquad is powered by a 140 horsepower gasoline engine. On land, it reaches speeds up to 50 miles per hour, tearing across trails and open terrain with the confidence. But the moment it transitions into water mode, within seconds, it surges forward, jet-propelled, hitting speeds up to 45 miles per hour, weighing around 1,500 pounds. Its robust aluminum chassis and sealed composite hull keep it buoyant and balanced, even in rough water. With a payload capacity of over 600 pounds, it carries 2 adults and plenty of gear. 15 gallons fuel capacity, giving it a range of over 300 miles on land, and around 100 miles on water depending on conditions. Its amphibious transition system, Gibbs' proprietary HSA technology, takes the Terraquad from land to water in less than 5 seconds. The 4-wheel independent suspension and all-terrain tires deliver excellent traction on inclines up to 40 degrees, and the sealed body ensures that river crossings and shoreline exits are nothing more than routine. Steering on land is conventional, using handlebars or a steering wheel depending on configuration. On water, directional control is handled through a jet system that offers smooth, responsive handling with zero propeller drag. It's agile enough for tight turns in narrow channels and tough enough for military-grade operations. The Gibbs Terraquad isn't just a multi-surface vehicle. It's a mission-ready platform, built for environments where most vehicles stall, sink, or give up. This is performance with purpose, an amphibian with attitude, and wherever the trail ends, it just begins. It looks like a stylish convertible cruising along the road until it reaches the water's edge. No slowing down, no pause. With a flick of a switch, the wheels retract, a hidden jet drive awakens, and within 5 seconds, the vehicle glides into the water like it was born there. This is the Gibbs Aquada, a high-speed amphibian that breaks every rule of conventional transport. It's not a car. It's not a boat. It's both, fused by engineering so advanced, it feels like science fiction brought to life. Powered by V6 engine producing 175 horsepower, the Aquada can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour on land and an impressive 30 miles per hour on water. Weighing in at about 3,000 pounds, it's light for a car, but remarkably stable as a boat. It uses gasoline as its power source, giving it the versatility of traditional refueling. Its 15-gallon fuel tank gives it enough range for cross-city cruising or a decent stretch on the lake. The Aquada's hull is crafted from lightweight composite materials designed for speed and buoyancy, with retractable wheels that fold up into the body to minimize drag in water. Its inclination capability allows it to climb or descend slopes up to 20 degrees without hesitation, and its sealed body design ensures buoyancy, even in choppy waters. Payload capacity is over 1,100 pounds, room for 2 passengers and plenty of gear, or just one adventurer and a dream. Steering shifts seamlessly between land-based wheel control and marine-style jet navigation. The jet propulsion system, developed exclusively by Gibbs, offering safer and more efficient movement in aquatic environments. From lakeside resorts to disaster zones, the Aquada has shown that the line between land and water is no longer a limit. It's just another surface. It looks like a beach cruiser with attitude, but the moment it touches water, the transformation is instant and stunning. This is the WaterCar Panther, an amphibious vehicle born for both dirt trails and open water. Designed and built in California, it combines the soul of a Jeep with the spirit of a speedboat. The Panther is powered by a 3.7-liter Honda V6 engine, producing 305 horsepower. On land, it hits speeds of up to 80 miles per hour, gripping pavement or dirt with confidence. But once it reaches the shoreline, the wheels retract and the jet propulsion system takes over. In just 15 seconds, the Panther becomes a watercraft, cruising at up to 45 miles per hour over lakes, rivers, or coastal bays. Weighing approximately 2,950 pounds, the Panther is built on a chromoly steel chassis with a lightweight fiberglass body. It features a 26-gallon fuel tank, offering a land range of up to 200 miles and a water range of around 80 miles. With 4 bucket seats and a payload capacity of about 1,000 pounds, it's built to carry people and gear for adventure or just the thrill of the unknown. Its ground clearance and rugged tires allow it to tackle slopes up to 30 degrees with ease. While on water, the Panther jet system delivers sharp, responsive handling with no propeller drag. Steering shifts seamlessly from land wheels to marine jet control. This isn't a novelty. It's a purpose-built amphibian designed to do more than just float. The WaterCar Panther is for those who refuse to stop where the road ends, for those who see a shoreline not as a barrier, but as an invitation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NanoTech for your next dose of tech updates. Until then, stay innovative and see you soon.